I'm going to tell you a little secret. Most people write terrible prompts and then blame the AI. Let me give you 5 rules that instantly make you better. Rule 1, vague in equals vague out. Summarize this is a bad prompt. Write a 200-word summary in plain English for a non-technical reader. That's a good prompt. The more constraints you give, the less likely the AI has to guess about what you actually want. 2, the AI doesn't know who you are or why you're asking, so tell it. I'm a project manager writing a status update for a non-technical executive team. That one sentence completely changes the output. Context is the difference between a generic answer and a useful one. 3, if you know what good output looks like, show it. Paste an example. Say, write something like this, or match this tone. AI models are pattern matchers. Give them a pattern to match. 4, this one feels weird the first time you do it, but it works. Start your prompt with, you're an expert copywriter, or you are a senior engineer. The AI genuinely shifts its tone, vocabulary, and approach based on the role you give it. Give it a shot. Number 5, your first prompt is just a rough draft. If the output isn't right, don't try again with the same words. Ask yourself, what's missing? What was off? Tweak and go again. The best prompt engineers aren't magic. They're just willing to iterate. Prompt engineering is honestly the single most practical AI skill you can build right now. Specific, context, examples, role, iterate. 5 rules. Start there. Follow for the next video in the series. And if you have any AI questions, drop them in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great day.